Yeah, we're seeing that relief just in time for tomorrow. Today, though, not so much. We're still ahead of a cold front. Once that cold front sweeps through, that's when we'll notice that relief, and we'll likely see that overnight tonight and into tomorrow. Here's a view of those current temperatures. Certainly noticing the heat out there. Just reached 90 degrees at the top of this hour in Boston, mid-upper 80s out towards Bedford and Norwood. Slightly cooler out towards Central Mass, upper 70s to low 80s out towards the Route 2 corridor, down towards the Cape and the Islands, already into the upper 70s to low 80s. So speaking of Boston, yes, this is now our fourth day in a row of 90-degree heat. So fourth day in a row of the 90s. 93, we saw that on Wednesday, 96 on Thursday, 91 on Friday. So I don't think we're going to get nearly as hot as Thursday, but still, we still have a few more hours to go. We'll likely could get into low 90s for quite a few locations. And not only that, we're tracking the dew points. It's a soupy start to our Saturday. Dew points now into the 70s. That's tropical feel, the air you can wear. And when you factor in the temperatures and those dew points, put those together, it makes it feel like it's a little bit hotter than those actual air temperatures. Feeling like it's 96 in Boston right now, 95 is what it feels like in Beverly, as well as Norwood. 93 is what it feels like in Bedford, down towards the Cape and the Islands, feeling like it's into the upper 80s as well. And we're keeping an eye on storm scan. We do have a cluster of thunderstorms down towards Connecticut that's moving its way from west to east. And ahead of that, we do have a few of those downpours just to the west of southeastern Mass, about to move into Bristol County, and another thunderstorm over the waters right along the coastline of Rhode Island. That will continue to move its way closer towards Buzzards Bay. So we'll continue to keep an eye on these as they continue to work their way into southeastern Mass and right along the south coast. Now, this is all ahead of a cold front. Once that cold front continues to push its way in, that will fire up a few of those thunderstorms. Again, a few. Not everyone will be seeing those. Could contain a few downpours as well as some lightning and gusty winds. So that's something to be aware of through the afternoon. This is a view of 1 p.m. A few of those downpours out towards the outer Cape, likely associated with the cluster back out towards our west. Now by about 3 p.m., again, a few of those dotting the radar. We're not tracking a washout by any means, but just be weather aware for those thunderstorms as they pop up, especially if you have outdoor plans. If you hear thunder, head inside, allow that thunderstorm to pass, and then resume your activities once it is safe to do so. By about, say, 8 p.m., we should see those drier conditions moving through. That cold front already pushing out. Now we'll usher in that relief. So as we get towards tomorrow morning, starting off upper 60s and then warming up into low 80s. So get towards tomorrow afternoon. So today we're into the 90s. Tomorrow far less humid, much more comfortable. High temperatures, much more seasonable, back into low 80s. So Sunday, really the pick of the weekend, especially if you're heading out to the Falmouth road race. We're tracking those temperatures well into the 70s. Really a great day for any of those outdoor plans you may have. Here's a view of the rest of that 7-day forecast. Hazy, hot, and humid today with a few thunderstorms. Tomorrow, sunshine. Temperatures low 80s. Still into the 80s to kick off that next work week. High pressure is with us through at least the first half of the work week. Then we see a chance for a few showers by Thursday and Friday.